International Harvester is proud to present 3 new McCormick-Deering standard tractors, the W4, W6, and the WD6. These tractors are definitely more economical and efficient, more convenient, more adaptable, and more stylish than any before. Yes, sir, these tractors sure have everything. Here comes a W4 on pneumatics after a speedy trip from town. Let's look it over before its proud owner puts it to work. It will save him time and increase his income. He'll be happier and more comfortable while he works. The fine performance of the W4 tractor is partly the result of the technical perfection of the engine itself. The high-tension magneto with impulse coupler assures a full-strength spark with a quarter turn of the crank. All the controls of the W4 tractor are within convenient reach from the large waterproof upholstered seat. The heat indicator and oil gauge are immediately in front of the driver. Moreover, the easy natural operation of all controls reduces driving fatigue to a minimum. The W6 is very similar. The additional values of these new standard tractors are apparent in the field. With 22 horsepower on the drawbar and 24 on the belt, the W4 can plow 7 to 10 acres a day, tandem disc 25 to 30 acres, seed 35 acres, combine 10 to 25 acres. It can also run a medium-sized hammer mill, ensilage cutter, or other machine of equal capacity. It has a 4-cylinder gasoline distillate engine. Other features are combination gasoline distillate manifold, oil filter, fuel strainer, precision-type bearings, alloy steel crankshaft with Toco-hardened bearing surfaces, replaceable cylinder sleeves, pressure lubrication, variable speed governor, and a high compression engine for gasoline only is an optional feature. Gears and pinions are drop forged of alloy steel, precision machine, carburized, and heat treated. The gear tooth contours are specially designed to give maximum contact and also a smooth rolling action to the teeth. All shafts turn in ball or roller bearings. The transmission provides 4 field speeds of 2 3/8, 3 1/8, 4, and 5 miles per hour, and the 5th speed for pneumatic-tired tractors only of 14 1/2 miles per hour. Variable speed governor operated from the tractor seat provides any intermediate speed required. The W4 has lots of power for belt work. The belt pulley greatly increases the utility of the tractor. Doing his own grinding, thrashing, wood sawing, or ensilage cutting reduces the farmer's year-round power costs. Or doing such work for neighbors will mean extra income. Operating on either gasoline or distillate, the W4 gives satisfactory performance at exceptionally low cost. But let's observe our friend with the W6, a big edition of the W4. He's using distillate, so he sets the heat control valve on the combination manifold to H, or hot. With gasoline, the valve is set at C, or cold. With his big new tractor and 3-bottom plow, he'll handle 9 to 13 acres a day. His big W6 has almost 33 horsepower on the drawbar and all of 36 horsepower on the belt. In addition to having lots of power for plowing, the W6 covers 30 to 40 acres a day with double-disc harrow. It will also cover 40 to 60 acres a day with 28 marker drill, 30 to 40 acres with field cultivator, or 80 acres or more with a harrow. Through the power takeoff, it will operate a 7-foot mower, 2-row potato digger, 2-row corn picker, or a 6-foot combine. It will drive a 28-inch thrasher or large-size hammer mills, grinders, ensilage cutters, etc. from the belt pulley. New comfort and convenience are found in the W model tractors. The big, well-upholstered seats can be adjusted to suit the driver and can be tipped back if the driver prefers to stand. When he is seated, all controls are within easy reach because of their convenient arrangement. Engine temperature gauge and oil pressure gauge are always in plain view in front of the driver. The W4 and W6 tractors with gasoline distillate engines are equipped with radiator shutter, which is controlled from the seat. The engine temperature gauge and radiator shutter are supplied only on order for the high compression engine and the diesel-powered WD6. Many farmers prefer to use low-cost distillate only, while others prefer gasoline or to use both types depending on the work. Others prefer a high compression engine using better grades of gasoline. Each engine is designed to give the utmost power and economy with the fuel used. Little time is needed to get the tractor lined up, the belt on, and the machine running. There's ample room around the pulley, and the operator has a perfect view. While the W model engines are extremely economical on fuel, they have all the reserve power necessary to keep going when heavy loads are placed on them. Here's a hard job being done at a speed that keeps the crew busy to keep up with the machine that they're handling. Do you remember the old buck saw, the sore backs and the discomforts of sawing wood in bad weather? This combination saws a winter supply in just a few hours, and all the old discomforts have vanished. Another job that's now a lot easier is that of moving grain, machinery, and other materials by fast tractor and trailer outfit. The third tractor is the WD6, with four-cylinder diesel engine built for the man with plenty of work to do. It starts on gasoline and is then converted to operation on diesel fuel. Here is the right side of the WD6 engine. Notice the high-tension tractor magneto, spark plugs, and other equipment used for starting only. This is the left side of the engine, showing the efficient diesel pump and crank for starting. Automotive-type starter can be supplied if desired. To the controls of the WD6 is added the diesel conversion lever. Work capacity of this tractor is approximately the same as that of the W6, but the fuel cost is lower and its lugging ability is greater. When several hundred hours of operation a year are assured, the outstanding fuel economy of the diesel-powered WD6 becomes an important factor. The precision-built diesel engine develops 31 horsepower on the drawbar and 36 horsepower on the belt. 5 bearing counterbalanced crankshaft, gasoline starting, replaceable cylinders, double fuel filter, and fuel water trap, circulating pump, and oil bath air cleaner are only a few of its features. It provides power through drawbar, belt pulley, and also power takeoff. These 3 new McCormick-Deering tractors have been properly engineered to provide fast, economical, steady power in their respective. They embody everything that more than 30 years of building and using tractors can teach. They represent a highly important and valuable advance in mechanized farm equipment, an advance no farmer can afford to ignore.